Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to embark on an exciting journey with us as we unveil what we've been tirelessly working on at our factory. Brace yourselves for a sneak peek into our latest groundbreaking components, designed, manufactured and tested to perfection. At Thesol 4x4 Adventure Hardware, we take pride in innovation and pushing the boundaries of our aftermarket suspension solutions. Today, we are thrilled to introduce to you our brand new adjustable monotube external reservoir shock absorbers crafted specifically for your vehicle and your 4x4 needs. Linton and Warwick have led us to create something truly exceptional. Our shock absorbers are not just another upgrade, they are a game changer. Designed to be fully rebuildable and with an infinite lifespan when properly maintained. We've put them through rigorous dyno testing and real-world environments. To prove their outstanding performance, we fitted 4 of our brand new shock absorbers to Silver Fox and embarked on a thrilling adventure. We ventured into extreme wet, muddy and slippery conditions, conquering both on-road challenges and off-road obstacles. During our explorations, we even had the privilege of encountering some incredible wildlife at the magnificent Thala Collection Game Reserve. If you are interested in experiencing the thrill of 4x4 adventures at Thala, be sure to get in touch with Lawrence and Kerry from Rave Rhino, who offer guided off-road trails through the reserve.
I came from the mud, there's dirt on my hands, strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law, hope they won't shoot me down soon. Makes me go to sleepless night, try to catch me howling at the moon.
Our thrilling journey didn't end there. We wrapped up our test expedition at an iconic viewpoint in Durban, just in time to witness a mesmerizing winter sunset.
When the sunrise, when the sun
Speaking of exciting things, we're thrilled to announce our brand new roof rack accessory mounts, designed to be compatible with many awnings on the market. In this video, you'll catch a glimpse of the quick pitch 270-degree awning, showcasing its versatility and convenience. Before we conclude, we want to extend our warm invitation to all of you. Stick around, follow our channel, and be sure to like, subscribe, and drop us any questions you may have in the comments below. Make sure to stay updated with our social media channels for all the exciting release dates of our innovative products. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. We can't wait to share more with you in the days to come. Until then, keep exploring, keep adventuring, and stay tuned for more from Dessel 4x4 Adventure Hardware.